guys, it's your girl Mimi the Best. Today we're gonna be making slime. It's a sugar slime with no glue that I found online. So I have a spatula, a bowl, some food coloring, some shampoo, some sugar, and some shaving cream. Okay guys, the first step is to put some shampoo in the bowl. And then we will put our shaving foam in. And then now we will mix it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be mixing this for 2 minutes. Okay guys, now it's 2 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle the sugar on top. Then I'm going to mix it again. Okay guys, now it's 1 minute, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge and then I'll be back in 1 hour to show you the results. Hi guys, it's been more than 2 hours now, and guess what? It did not work. If you guys have any better suggestions, please comment down below and make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment and press the notifications bell. Bye! Okay, guys, so I had to put this in the freezer, but I was about to go to bed. So I wanted to check if it would turn into slime, and then here are the results. I see, right? And crunchy. Okay guys, it did not work, so I'm just gonna give up and throw it in the bin, and then I'll just go to bed. If you guys know how to make slime, comment down below right now so I can try it. Bye!